Hey everyone, Namaste, this is Arti Sharma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today I'm gonna share the tips of the malasana pose or the garland pose. So for this video today I am having a Ming to help me for this video. Okay, so Ming, stand on the mat. So first come to the Samastiti pose. So feet are together, big toes are together. Wonderful. And just put the weight on the heels and try to stand tall and long. Point the tailbone down, suck the belly in, lock the kneecaps. Wonderful. Now keep your feet separate in your hip width apart. Wonderful. And now from here, slightly bend the knees and lean forward. Rest your hands on the ground. Wonderful. Okay. Now just feel a nice stretch on your calves, on your hamstring. Keep putting the weight on the heels. Wonderful. Rest your head down. Stay here for few breaths. Maybe 5, 4, 3, 2, and the last one. Now from here, slightly turn your toes outside and then bend the knees and rest your pelvis down. Wonderful. Try to bring your hamstring close to the calves. Very nice. Bring your hands together and try to keep your elbows inside of the knees. Good. And then keep pushing your knees outward, right? Okay. Turn to the front and then show the same posture from the front. Wonderful. Just stay here. Now maybe you can see in this position she is able to keep her heels down on the floor, but she is not able to keep her chest open here. She is not feeling comfortable on the upper body. Okay, so we're gonna do some modification. Stand up, rest your hands down. Okay, so for the first modification I'm gonna use the mat under her heels. Okay, so now put your heels over the mat and press the heels on the mat. Put the weight on the heels. Wonderful. Now maybe you can see now she is a little bit comfortable in this one pose. Keep your neck long. Wonderful. And now again you have to keep pushing your knees in outward direction with the help of your elbows. Wonderful. Very nice. Actually you feel discomfort in this pose because of your tight ankles. If you have Achilles tendons are very tight, very short, or if you have a tight calf muscles, if you have tightness on your hamstrings, in your quadriceps, or you also have a tight hips, so you will feel discomfort in this pose. Okay, so this posture is very good to stretch your hamstrings, stretch your calves, stretch your ankle joints, stretch your hips. Okay, so next modification we're gonna do, because she is very good actually to keeping her heels down on the mat and she is feeling very comfortable. But some people, they find that they are not able to keep their heels completely on the floor and their hips are also slightly upside, like in this position, because of the too much tight hamstrings. They are not able to keep their hips down. Maybe you can show from the sides once. Good. The mat. Wonderful. Like from the side they feel that their hips are upside. They are not able to keep their hamstring close to their calf. They are not able to keep their hips close to they are not able to keep their pelvis close to their calf muscles. Okay, so for that modification we're gonna use the 2 blocks. So once again stand up, rest your hands down, and this time I'm gonna use the 2 blocks. So maybe you can keep your feet more wider. Okay, there is no limitation. You have to just keep your feet in your hip width apart. Just make sure that your feet are not closer. You can move them slightly more outward direction. Wonderful. Maybe use the 1 block or maybe use 1 block. She is very good. Okay, but some people, they even feel that 2 blocks are not enough. So what they can do, they can use 3 blocks, 4 blocks. Okay, the height you can adjust according to your own flexibility. Okay, now she is more comfortable in this pose. Now you see she is now able to keep the elbows inside of the knees, inside of the thighs. Now keep pushing the knees in the outward direction. Keep pressing the heels on the ground. Just make sure that you are putting the weight on the heels. So you are stretching your ankle, you are giving nice mobility around your ankle joint. You are giving a nice stretch on your calf muscles, on your hamstring. Your inner thighs are stretching nicely. And your outer hip, you are stretching your outer hip part. Wonderful. This pose is very good to strengthen your lower back and strengthen your core muscles. It's very good to open up your hips, open up your hamstrings, your inner thighs, your calf. This pose is very good to improve the blood circulation around your abdominal region. So if you're having a constipation or any, it's very good to release all kind of the digestive issues. This is good for your abdominal strengthening. And this pose is actually very good for the pregnant ladies who are in the prenatal situation. Do this pose every day. Okay, so maybe you can show from the front side once. Or maybe this time give more height. Feet are more separate. Feet are more separate outside. Wonderful. And stay here for long. So there is actually no limitation how long you should have to hold this one pose. You can hold maybe 5 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. Maybe you can read your newspaper in this pose, or maybe your favorite books, or you can watch your favorite TV shows. You can chat with your friends, or you can use on the mobile, on your computer in this one pose. Okay, well done. So when you want to release this pose, keep your hands down on the ground and lift your hips, turn the toes inside, come to the Tanasana. Once again, place your hands side of the waist here. Inhale and then slowly come all the way up. Very nice. Okay friends, so this was the malasana garland pose. The next video I will share the variations, how to go deeper into the hip opening, how to go deeper into the hip hamstring stretching, and more pelvic opening. So there are many variations in the malasana pose you can do. So just keep watching the next videos, and if you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.